As you manage your programs, you can mitigate risks and exploit opportunities that are specific to each contract. So if you go to the Operations Review screen and you click on one of your programs, let's choose DH16. And if you go to the Ongoing Decisions tab, you can see that it shows a $4.4 million potential cost savings in this year if you apply Six Sigma projects to risk mitigation, and that you're currently exploiting $119,000 this year in opportunity. But if I move the risk mitigation slider to apply Six Sigma projects, and if I click update, you can see that now you get a lot of cost savings by managing the risks on this program. So of the $4.4 million of risk-related costs, you've taken it down to $493,000, so almost $4 million in cost savings. And two, if you were to move the opportunity exploitation slider to apply Six Sigma projects, let's undo the risk mitigation, and click update, you can see how much in opportunities we can get by actively managing the opportunities that exist on the program. So from the 119,000 originally of opportunities, we now have $2.2 million of opportunities or cost reductions. And these are cost reductions that are appearing because you're doing something about them proactively. And to get an idea on any program of what the total risk and opportunity amounts on the program across all the years that it's going to run will be, you can go to the bidding details screen. And you can look at the potential amount over the life of this program, which is $7.1 million in factored risks and $4.2 million in factored opportunities. And by factored risk, for example, it just means that this is the net amount that you could get after accounting for the dollar amount of each risk multiplied by the probability of that risk occurring, and then adding up all those risks, those factored risks for the program. And you should consider these data points when you're bidding on new contracts. If the contracts that you're bidding on have high factored risk and high factored opportunities, then you're going to need more Six Sigma resources available to address them. And when you look at where these costs are coming from on each program, if you go to the Financial Summary tab and click on the View Work Status Report, you can see that when you're doing nothing, you've got a lot of high cost variances on this program, including some variances with your suppliers. But if I go back to the Ongoing Decisions tab and move the sliders, and let's go ahead and put 3 Six Sigma projects on risk mitigation and 3 on opportunity exploitation. And let's update the results. And now if I go back to the Financial Summary tab again, and click once again on View Work Status Report, you can see now that you're in a much better position this year with your cost accounts. But be aware that your PMO costs will go up as you do this because now you're allocating the cost of those Six Sigma projects to this program. So when you take these actions, you should analyze whether the benefits of applying the Six Sigma projects outweigh the costs, which they do here, because you have almost $4 million in total cost reductions with an increase in PMO costs due to the Six Sigma costs. And remember too that R's and O's are best addressed early in the program rather than later. And just to note, some of these decisions may be turned on or off depending on the version of BizFighter that you're running in your class. And you also want to refer to the case study guide for more information on the implications of these decisions on your programs. Okay, hope that helps.